What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you what the stock XR650L 2025 sounds like with this exhaust here, and then we actually got a brand new exhaust from FMF, the Powercore 4, I believe. So we're going to put it on here and we're going to see the difference in the sound and the performance and rip around the block. Let's give it a little go on what it sounds like with the stock. Yeah, it's a little bit poppy, not that clean.
Yeah, to be honest, the video doesn't really do that much justice on what this actually sounds like.
Not the best thing in the world.
It sounds pretty shit in my opinion. Really poppy, not that loud, not that clean. Yeah, it's not really it.
Let's try and do this as quickly as possible. I got this bike about probably a year ago now, and we're kitting it up because we're going to be racing the Biltwell 100 next year. 2 bolts right here on the exhaust, 2 out. Okay, and this one here.
So there's like literally 4 bolts, 2 on the little clamp from the header to the exhaust, 1 in the center, and then I think 1 over nearby the light bracket.
Slide right out.
So yeah, I don't really know that much about exhaust, so I just decided to put this FMF. I was recommended it, and it was, you know, decently affordable, and
Looks a hell lot
with
better.
the performance and the sound it gives, it's, you know, definitely an upgrade. So I kind of had to like force it in, and it comes with this little metal sheath thing over it that you basically like would clamp the header to the exhaust on. So after you get it on, the first thing I do is screw in the bolt in the center, so it's connected to the frame, and then I basically had to loosen like a little bit of the tail fender of the bolt's underside and just kind of like pull it up in order for the new screw to flow right through the tail light bracket, which is where you'll connect the exhaust now. So it's kind of confusing. I didn't film any close-ups of this.
Ah, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
But right here, I basically just realized after connecting everything together, I went to do the last connection on the little like fastener bracket that goes over the header and the exhaust, and I didn't put the little metal sheath back on, and I had to take everything off again. So this is me realizing that. So after getting it back in, it basically just, you know, fastened nicely.
All right, so that took way longer than it should have, but I think we're good now. Just got a freaking workout doing that. We're good.
Yeah, it literally took way longer than I wanted it to. Just turned on my electricity and my battery and make sure that all the lights are still working, because I was kind of yanking on that tail light.
We're not gonna listen to what it sounds like after doing the exhaust swap with the FMF. In 3, 2, 1. That's a lot louder.
In person, it is a hell of a lot louder, like way deeper, a lot meaner, a lot better sounding, to be honest. And overall, I think it's going to perform a lot better. I took it for a quick little zip around the block. It was like getting late in my neighborhood, so I didn't want to piss off the neighbors that much. But yeah, she sounds mean, heads were turning, and ultimately I think it's a great upgrade for this bike, especially if you're not trying to replace the header as well. Yeah, and it honestly just like runs better too. Like, it was always like popping, crackling with that stock exhaust because it has that California smog or whatever it is, the regulation with inside of it. But yeah, overall pretty stoked with this this swap.
So that's the FMF Powercore swap on the XR650L. Hope that helped.